Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enter download mode on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. First, hold down the power key for a few seconds. When the menu appears, choose power off and confirm by tapping OK. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Then use the combination of power key and volume up. Hold both keys together for a few seconds. Release all keys as soon as the warning logo appears. To continue, tap volume down. The device enters download mode. You can use it or quit by long pressing the power key. Keep holding the power key until the tablet goes black. The device is now in normal mode and you can use your tablet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.